Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm very happy to be here with Steven. Steven has been nice enough to share his journey today. I wanted to ask him, Steven, when did you start losing your hair? And tell us about your research in terms of how you're in this chair today.
I started losing my hair probably when I was 25. My research really started online, and I went to a couple of consultations. I had a FaceTime with Dr. Huebner, and the rest is history. I'm sitting here now.
So like a lot of guys, it's important that you do your research. There's people that certainly know what they're doing, and there's a lot of people that maybe don't do it as often or maybe don't have as much experience. So really important to do your homework with every facet of this surgery. Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Steven, and I love these videos. This is sort of the full circle. His surgery day video is on our website, and he's been now 1 year from his procedure, and we were just doing a FaceTime follow-up as we always do at the 1 year mark. And as you can see from his pictures, what a difference in terms of presentation and just overall, and a huge improvement. Steven, tell us about the journey. I mean, from the surgery days up to now. Tell us in your own words.
So really it's all about just patience. It all started coming through, month 4, month 5 is when you could start really seeing the hairs pop through. And I actually ended up having a defined hairline. So yeah, all in all, it came together great. My scar is not there. It's,
it's there. You just can't see it, right? It doesn't bother you.
It's there, but it's just disappeared essentially. That was my big worry, and that's it's just a relief off your shoulders, knowing that your scar is nothing.
Is not a popsicle stick, right? And I'm sure you've seen those walking around too, and that's one of the biggest reasons guys go for the robotics or the FUE, oftentimes when it's not the right choice for how much hair loss they have. But you have your hair pretty short. It doesn't really. You're not really having to change your hairstyle too much based on the scar at all.
No.
Awesome, man. And people around you been saying anything? Has your family noticed or people that you know?
100%.
Yeah.
So it's all in the hairline. It just brings it down a little bit, just frames the face, and it's awesome.
This is a great example of what maybe 40% looks like. He really has that, unfortunately, like me, has that black hair, brown hair, and white skin. So you can see every little space and cranny, but you can see even with one pass, he's got enough to really make a difference. Yep. And I'm going to have you hold it there for just 1 second, chin down if you would. Yep. And you can see it's a little see-through here and there, but for the most part, he's a guy that has hair, and he's not a bald guy. and all that hair in front is new. Let me have you turn either left or right, either way, and just hold it there. Yep. Perfect. You can see no evidence of scar there, not even close to showing the scar. And and then slowly kind of come around the other way. Yep. Perfect. Excellent. Right there. Perfect. Hold it right there. Again, look how short he has his hair. Not a big deal. He's doing a nice little fade taper. Awesome. Dude.
And I will say this, the hairstylists don't even know that I got a hair transplant.
Right.
So it's, it looks good, it looks clean, it looks crisp, it doesn't look unnatural.
Yeah. And it's permanent. So that'll be the same hairline when you're 80 years old, which is pretty cool to think about. Not having to worry about that receding anymore. So, dude, congratulations, man. I'm really happy for you. And, what would you tell people that are on the fence about a hair transplant or worried about a linear scar?
If anyone's on the fence and this is something that they're seriously going to consider, by all means, call Dr. Huebner, get his opinion, and you'll see the results. And just he communicates well. You're his number one patient during that time frame of, 14-day window when you first get it done. He'll call you back at any time.
Yeah.
And walk you through this.
Awesome, man. Yeah, we are always available, and we are, there's a lot of things that come up after a hair transplant that, are a little scary.
Questions.
You're not used to it.
They're just questions and unknowns.
Yep. And so it's important to have someone there you can just, and get an answer within, 5 minutes about what's going on, usually.
That in itself, to me, was worth all the money.
Yeah.
Whatever you're going to spend on it, if you don't get the communication and the trust in your doctor that they've done a good job and they're willing to have those conversations with you, then I mean, don't even go anywhere else.
And I can hear that your cat is happy about your results as well. He's
Yes,
chiming in
she's
saying, go
stoked.
for it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Well, congratulations, and we enjoy your hair.
Thank you so much.
You got it, man. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.